In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Todoist Chrome extension in this complete 2025 tutorial. This will be your go-to guide for managing tasks directly from your Chrome browser, making your productivity flow effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, we want to open your preferred web browser, in this case, Google Chrome. Once it's up and running, head over to the search bar and type in Chrome Web Store. This store is essentially an online marketplace that houses a wide variety of extensions and apps you can add to your browser to enhance its functionality. After searching, hit enter, and you should see a link to the official Chrome Web Store page. Click on that link to enter the store. Now, in the store's search bar, type Todoist. Todoist is a powerful tool that helps you manage tasks and projects efficiently. Once you've searched it, click on the appropriate link that leads you to the Todoist extension page. On this page, you'll find an Add to Chrome button. Click it to start the installation process. A dialog box will pop up asking for confirmation to add Todoist to your Chrome. Go ahead and confirm. The installation should only take a few moments, and once completed, you'll notice a small Todoist icon appearing in your Chrome toolbar. This icon is your gateway to managing tasks swiftly. Clicking on the Todoist icon will require you to either continue doing so in a new tab or remain on the current page, so click Continue in New Tab to proceed. It's designed to work in sync with your existing accounts. Therefore, when prompted, sign in using Google, Apple, or your Todoist account. If you're new to Todoist, there's an option to create an account too. Once you've logged in, your profile will load. From here, adding tasks is straightforward. Click on your profile picture or name, then select Add Tasks quickly. In the task window that appears, name your task, giving it a clear, concise title that captures its essence. Once you're satisfied with your task's name, hit the Add Task button to save it. You can now see your newly added task in your task list, which Todoist makes easily accessible. This feature is an excellent way to capture tasks on the go and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Moreover, Todoist offers a nifty feature to save websites as tasks, which enables you to capture web content directly into your task list with a simple click on Add Website as Task. This extension is really a great tool for streamlining your workflow and keeping everything organized without having to leave your browser. The ability to directly add and manage tasks while browsing makes Todoist a vital tool for productivity enthusiasts. And that's how you get started with the Todoist Chrome extension. Thank you for watching, and happy tasking.